Let me see how this looks. That looks kind of cute. Can you see it in the mirror? I feel like that works. Well, I always wear masks, but also the coronavirus is out and we're just being safe, so also fashion, so whatever. Yeah, we're here today and well, let's talk about your hair.
Okay.
So when's the last time you came in?
I don't even remember. It's been a while.
It's been this long.
It's been that long.
I'm gonna say maybe 5 months, 6 months.
Yeah.
I see her every 6 months and we're gonna try to highlight some of this awesomeness. She wants to chop it off, which is really exciting. So we'll just get started, you guys, and stay tuned. So I'm doing this full highlight on Devon's hair, and her natural hair level is really light. As you can see, it's probably like a level 6, almost 7, which is a really light brown, dark blonde already. So I'm not afraid of not lifting her hair here. It's like a dream every time she comes in because I know it's gonna lift really well. So we have Devon processing. We'll give her a few more minutes. And I have my other client over here. We're doing like a toner. We're gonna get her out of the bowl. Alright, so we're back here with Devon and it's time to take those foils out. Oh my gosh, it's lifting so good. So now it's time to go ahead and tone.